Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to 10 amazing kitchen gadgets that will blow your mind. These tools aren't just about convenience, they're about elevating your kitchen game to a whole new level. Ready to be amazed? Let's dive right in. First up, we have the Manual Cabbage Slicer Machine. If you've ever struggled with slicing cabbage evenly for coleslaw or sauerkraut, this gadget is a game changer. It's fast, efficient, and gives you perfectly thin, uniform slices every time. No more wrestling with a knife, just smooth, effortless slicing. Whether you're prepping a huge batch or just a quick salad, this machine makes the process incredibly easy and quick. Next, let's talk about the 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. If you love avocados but hate the mess and hassle of slicing them, this tool is a must-have. It splits, pits, and slices your avocado with ease. Just one gadget to handle everything, and you'll have perfectly sliced avocados in seconds. It's perfect for making guacamole, avocado toast, or adding those beautiful slices to your salad. Plus, it's safe and easy to use. Now, here's a gadget that will elevate your drink game: stainless steel ice cubes. These reusable cubes keep your drinks cold without diluting them. Just pop them in the freezer, and they're ready to go whenever you need them. They're perfect for cocktails, iced coffee, or even chilling wine. Speaking of wine, the next gadget is a real crowd pleaser: the electric wine opener. Opening a bottle of wine has never been easier or more stylish. Just place it on the bottle, press the button, and watch as it smoothly extracts the cork. No more struggling with corkscrews or broken corks. Plus, it's battery operated, so you're always ready to pop open a bottle. Next up, we have the Smart Chopping Board, and this gadget is packed with features. It's not just a chopping board, it comes with a built-in weight scale, timer, knife sharpener, and even a knife cleanser. It's like having a mini kitchen assistant right on your countertop. Whether you're measuring ingredients, keeping track of cooking time, or ensuring your knives are sharp and clean, this board does it all. It's a complete kitchen station in one sleek design. Cooking meat to perfection has never been easier with the Smart Meat Thermometer. This gadget connects to your phone and gives you real-time updates on the temperature of your meat. Just stick it in, set your desired doneness, and let it do the work. No more guessing if your steak is medium rare or if your chicken is cooked through. This thermometer ensures you get perfect results every time, without the guesswork. Struggling with stubborn jar lids? The automatic jar opener is here to save the day. Just place it on the jar, press a button, and it effortlessly twists off even the tightest lids. It's perfect for anyone who struggles with jar lids, whether due to arthritis or just tough jars. It's one of those gadgets you didn't know you needed until you have it, and then you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Enjoying these incredible gadgets? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest kitchen gadget reviews. We've got so much more amazing content coming your way. Next, we have the rotating waffle maker, a must-have for breakfast lovers. This gadget rotates 180 degrees to ensure even cooking, giving you perfectly golden, fluffy waffles every time. Just pour in your batter, rotate, and let it work its magic. Whether it's for a weekend brunch or a special treat, this waffle maker makes it easy to whip up restaurant-quality waffles at home. Precision is key in cooking, and the digital measuring spoon takes the guesswork out of your recipes. It measures both dry and liquid ingredients with incredible accuracy, down to the gram or milliliter. Just scoop and check the digital readout. It's that simple. It's perfect for baking, making sauces, or any recipe where precise measurements are crucial. Last but not least, we have the heat-resistant silicone gloves. These aren't just any oven mitts. They're made from durable silicone that can withstand extremely high temperatures, protecting your hands while you cook, grill, or bake. They also have a non-slip grip, making it easy to handle hot dishes safely. Whether you're pulling something out of the oven or flipping food on the grill, these gloves offer the ultimate protection and grip. And there you have it. 10 amazing kitchen gadgets that will blow your mind. So, which gadget are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below.